Hi, we're here at Mudhugger HQ to show you the new SL, the Superlight, and show you how, when you're fitting it to your bike, you can adjust it for the different wheel sizes. Over to you, Jay. Okay, so here it is. This is the prototype, but it's going to look pretty much like this. And we have adjustable tabs for the fork legs, which when you slide them over each other, adjusts the angle of the mudguard. So very simply, we have three different settings. Setting 1, which is for 29 plus and 29ers. Setting 2, by sliding it further into it, for 29 650B. And then the third setting, you slide it once more, and that's for 650B on the Fox fork, something with good clearance, or 26-inch wheels. And you can see there the angle changes as you slide the rear tab under the front tab. Now when you're installing it onto the forks, you need to be careful to make sure that the zip tie goes through both of the tabs. On the first setting it will look like that, so you ignore this third hole here. Second setting is very obvious. Third setting, you've got a choice like that, or through the back, but again through the middle one, ignoring the first one. And depending on which ones you use, you can adjust how it will sit over the wheel on the forks. So there you have it, the Mudhugger SL.